What is the point of an adult autism diagnosis? This is a question that a lot of people ask, and for good reason. The benefits of childhood autism diagnosis are pretty obvious. You get more support in schools, you get access to services. But if you are an adult, if you've made it all the way to being a grown up and you have never gotten diagnosed with autism, does it help you in any way to actually get that diagnosis? The answer is yes. It helps you, and it helps you for three reasons that I will explain to you right now. I'm an autistic psychologist, so I'm not just making up these reasons. It's based both in my own experience as an autistic person and my professional experience as a psychologist. Okay, here we go. Okay, hear me out on this first reason, but the first benefit of pursuing a adult autism diagnosis is that sometimes you find that you don't have autism. And before you all get your pitchforks, I'm not saying that it's bad to have autism. I'm autistic. I love being autistic. But if you are not autistic, then it doesn't help you to think that you are. And so when you go through the diagnostic process, sometimes you learn that actually instead of autism, the best understanding of your experience is ADHD or social anxiety or something like that. Sometimes you might find that you have autism and those other things too. So you knew that you had autism. That's not a surprise. But then ADHD is also in there, and then you discover that, and now that allows you to get better support and better care. But wait a minute, there's not a lot of services out there specifically for adult autistic people. So what do I mean that a diagnosis is going to give you access to more care and support? Well, that leads to the second benefit, which is that an adult diagnosis lets you get more care and support from the people in your life because you have a better language and understanding to communicate with them. You can tell the people that you know, hey, I'm autistic, and therefore it'd be really helpful for me if you do this. Or hey, I'm autistic, and that means when I do this thing, it means this. Please don't misunderstand me. Having the language to explain your experience allows other people to give you care and support, even if that doesn't come from some government agency. And then the final benefit is actually my favorite, which is that an adult autism diagnosis lets you understand yourself better and give yourself more care and support. Instead of giving into shame, instead of saying, I should be like these other people, you can say, I'm autistic, I'm different, and that's awesome. This is the way that I am. And it gives you language to describe your own experience to yourself, or it allows you to read memoirs or the stories of other people with autism and learn from their experiences and connect that to your story. So when you get an autism diagnosis or any other kind of diagnosis, it allows you to give some grace to yourself and really put a name to the experience that you have and realize that it's not bad, it's just your story. If you found this helpful, please like. If you want more stuff like this, please follow. And if you think somebody else might find it helpful, please send it on to them. Dr. Dan signing off.